Okay, so I'm opening the thing. And like I said, I have it open. First we get very cheap filling duct tape. Do we get that? Movement. The bag. What can we see? Oh, that's enough to put water in. So we're gonna use that for water bag. Now let's just put this in. Let's put some of this stuff in here. Okay, let's put that in the water bag. Okay. Well, that could get much, actually. The standard fare of that. Um, I wanted to open one of these to see what's in here. I'm gonna put this in here too. Then we get the pencil, which I will actually use because I do have a use for it. Okay. Yeah. For waterproof, one. Actually, no. Snare wire, which I. You know what? Let's put this into this. In here. Okay. Yeah. Um. I assume this is reflective cord. I assume that's micro cord, reflective cord, or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna put a lot of the stuff in here just for because. If you would. Well, tea light candle, which I will actually use. I'm putting this next to my bed, or next to the bed anyway. So, yeah. Wow, that's a whistle. It looks like it will do the job. The job in here. Um, then looks like thread. No, whatever this is, I'm gonna put this in here too. Um, I, I can open one. This is cool. Safety pins. Dun dun. Okay. One medium, one large. Okay. I have better. Jesus Christ, that is one small freaking button compass. So the fire cubes, which are waxed, I do have a use for. Okay. Jesus Christ. Three. I think there's three or four. It said. I don't know. I don't know. Silicone. Matches. Is this lead or not? It looks lead to me. Ah. One second. Okay. Spiral tool. Yeah, I knew what these were. Is this the one that can actually... Yeah, this is the good one. You can actually solve that. Well, those nails lead. Alright, here's, that's useful. Put in here. Here's another thing. The signal mirror, better nothing. I guess. Jesus Christ. Outdoor survival tips, which I'm going to be reading. Um, Needle, which seems like it is decent. I have use for it. Obviously. I'll put it here. Cord and more of that. Put that in here. 2 hooks. Useful. Tin can. It is. Yeah, I won't use Leno. Jesus Christ. Let's see if it actually works. It looks like no. This is not working at all. I mean, at all. Not working at all. Yeah, not working at all, which is weird. Yeah, don't ever. My God, that is the smallest button compass I've ever seen in my life. Hmm. Let me read this. Okay, seems like it has like. Jesus Christ, these are the smallest instructions I've ever seen in my life. Wow. It does give you ground air signals, solar steel, etc. So it is useful to me. So I'm going to put this in the bag. You know, few things in the bag. The cord is like white. Thing. Yeah. Anyway. Oh god, I'm gonna see if this is actually Chinese right here. Wow. 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 That's nice. And it says 11. Lanyard hole is not a freaking. A lanyard hole is not a freaking thing. Anyway. Goes Box Flow. Goes Box Wasteland. Peace.